Welcome back to Breakhart Orchard. Rain drove us off last night. We only got one panel in, and it was quite a struggle getting that panel in there. I did not get it seated down on the sill plate as much as I wanted to, but it is fastened in there. It's nice and solid, and it's plumb. We're moving on. Today we're going to turn our attention to the far corner where I have the mechanical room, and that's where we're going to start up another long wall. And hopefully today we can get three. Well, I feel pretty confident we'll get 3 pieces in. I'm hoping to get 4 or 5, but we'll see what happens. We got about 5 hours of daylight to work with. It's a Sunday. Got the crew up here, taking an opportunity to do some cleaning up, little organization, rearrange the panels since we've used about 30 of them, and just try to get ready to go and push forward. I've covered it before, but I want to go over it one more time. When you're putting in the end piece on one of the return walls, they call it the return wall, when you have 2 walls that sit next to each other. So when you have 2 walls that sit next to each other, one of them is going to go all the way to the end and the other one butts up to it. So the side of the next wall will go up to this one, and this one is designated as the return wall. I've got to put a spline into this one for the end piece, and since it is an angled wall, got to make an angled cut on the end of it, foam it, sink it in, and then nail it. So it's windy today too, and I left the panel standing up. That was fun. One of the challenges here is organizing and stacking your panels. That's J1. I need that panel. Of course, it's the very bottom of the stack. When the panels come in, they're not stacked. They didn't come all lined up like this is wall J, this is wall K. I think they stack them according to size to make it easier for them to get them onto the truck, which makes sense. It's just not convenient when they get here. So when you start moving panels around, you find that you need a panel and you start to unstack things. You want to start collecting them together and putting them in a stack. I tried to start putting them together in a stack with all the J's, not thinking about the fact that I would eventually be over on that end of the wall, putting it together, and I need J1. So this last return panel comes all the way to the end here. I've got to go ahead and cut this slot for it to sit in, as well as cut off this excess. Yep. It has gotten cold. The wind has picked up and the sun has gone away. It's over too far, isn't it? All right, Lauren, come over here and study this. Lift. You're gonna have to lift and move over in your direction. Okay. So it's got to go over almost a foot on your side. Yep. Good. Yep. Start lifting. Gotta walk it up under it. There we go. There we go. Keep going. Is it all the way down?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
On the inside, honey.
It's crushing the...
Babe, I'm looking. So, Matt, it's all the way down.
Yeah. Lauren's side?
And it might be, it's hard to see because the goop. It is down. Babe, it's all the way down.
Having the kids help out on the build site was great. It's nice to have the extra hands on any project, but it also lightens the mood. They're teenagers, and they find ways to make each other laugh in any situation. One of the things that we wanted to do when we started building this house is have a center for our family. A place that our children and grandchildren think of as going home. And these kids are also learning a valuable life skill process. They're learning work ethic. They're learning that if you want something in life, you build it.
Carry it over like this. Set it on this side. Stand it up.
It's going. It's going, babe.
Don't pull outward. Keep pulling out. It's getting late and it's getting cold. We've sent the kids on home so they can get ready for next week, and we're trying to put one more panel in at least. I don't know where that water just came from. If you lifted it, water came out.
Yes. You're pounding. It needs,
it's all the way down?
Yeah. It needs about 2 millimeters on the other side.
That's crazy. I don't know how it could go all the way.
I don't know if it's here.
Here, get the level.
Okay.
Go in, look, go all the way inside and look at that far corner. Something seems
Which
off.
one do you want me to do first?
I want you to do it all at the same time.
Babe, it's touching all the way in here.
It's all the way to the bottom?
Yes, on both sides.
All right, here. It's been a while since we've been able to do a closing in daylight. So we have 4 panels we got up today. We are going to go ahead and wrap things up, cover the tops with plastic so the rainwater doesn't sit there and soak into the wood. We're going to wrap everything up here with tarps, and tomorrow I'm coming back out here with one of the kids. I've got the day off, so we're going to hit it again and see if we can't get another 3-4 panels up. That would be fantastic. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Hope y'all come back and see us again. We'll see you next time at Breakheart Orchard.